What's going on, everybody? Brandon with Jarhead Garage. Yes, you heard that right. Same person, slightly different name. We're kind of changed up a little bit. We're going to get into it in this video, but it's after 5 o'clock. Let's go ahead and enjoy the day. It's a hot one today. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that sweet God.
So, as you guys can kind of see, if you even paid attention to the name of the channel and my intro just now, I'm changing things up a little bit. We're switching the name on our social media, all of our products and all that sort of stuff. Still going to have the same name. That's still going to be Jarhead Diagnostics. But a lot of our social media, YouTube, TikTok, maybe Instagram, Facebook, I'm still debating on those. We're switching it to Jarhead Garage. The reason we want to do that is I want to kind of bring you guys into what we do daily. I don't diagnose cars like I used to. It's not like every day where I've got cars in here diagging. And if you notice on my content, I haven't really done much on YouTube in a while because there's not much diag that I do. I do a lot of other things now. And so I'm kind of changing the channel up a little bit. It's still going to be a Jarhead Diag channel. Like if I have diagnostics, yeah, I'm going to post it. But switching it to Jarhead Garage kind of allows us to just open it up a little bit more. And bring some more viewership in. So let's kind of go into some changes that we've had since the last time that I've been on here. Excuse me. About a year and a half ago, I shut down my shop. I had a full-fledged shop, had technicians and all that. I was running Jarhead Diagnostics, like all the tooling and stuff. I was just getting burned out from both ends of the candle. So we shut the shop down. But over the past year and a half, I've kind of missed that, like the working on the vehicles. I know a lot of people that's in the industry right now that's grinding out every day are kind of like, F this, I'm ready to get out of the industry. And that's good for a lot of people. And my year off of working kind of made me realize that I missed it as far as working on cars. But I also have a whole lot of other passions besides just the automotive industry. And it's kind of where now this channel and all this stuff is going to kind of go in. So with that being said, I'm going to flip the camera around and kind of show you what we have going on and just kind of bring you in behind the scenes and just let you guys know what all we have going on and what you can expect from this channel over the next little bit. Well, as you can see, we just don't have cars in our shop. I had another small YouTube channel and another small TikTok channel regarding motorcycles, but it kind of became annoying trying to figure out, do I want to post on this or do I want to post on that? So I figured let's converge them all together. But at the same time, if you notice, I have a lift behind me as well. That is because we're opening back up our shop, kind of. We're going to be doing motorcycle stuff as well as car stuff. The shop aspect of it, I'm not going to run it the same as I did before. Last time, the only thing I cared about was the almighty dollar. I didn't care about the cars that came in quite so much. I just cared about my car count. Let's see how much I can sell and all that sort of stuff. Now, I'm going to start questioning customers a lot before they come in to verify that that's the type of customer that I want. I don't want to be just I want you to work on my 95 clapped out Chevy Caprice. Like that's just not what I'm into. So I want to work on vehicles that I want to work on, and I want to work on motorcycles that I want to work on. I don't want to do stuff that I don't want to do. I started realizing in my life that it was more of I was chasing money instead of chasing passion. And I'm closer to 40 than I am 20. So now it's, I'm on the back end of my life as far as working. It's time to switch and start having some passion back in my life. So we're excited to bring you guys into this. It's a mess right now throughout the shop because I literally had the lift put in yesterday and then I wired it in today. So that's the first car to ever go on the lift. That's in here for a potential parasitic drain issue for one of my buddy's shops that he's just having issues kind of tracking it down, but it's an intermittent one. So this is just going to be kind of on the back burner, helping him out where I can. As far as motorcycle content, we plan to do kind of anything. You can't really see, and I don't even know if I want to show you guys because it's a cluster. This whole part of the shop for a while has just been kind of a storage unit. There's a whole nother section kind of over there that it has a lot of my specialty tools and shop equipment shoved over there, but it's a mess right now. But there is a complete Dyna Super Glide. I don't know if people's into Harleys. That's my passion is Harleys. There's a complete Dyna Super Glide. I say complete because it has all the parts. Last year, I stripped it down to the frame because whenever I bought it, it was in a lot worse condition than what I was thinking. And now I want to build it back up. That's probably going to be, as my build goes, my forever bike. No, my luck, I'll probably build it and sell it. Who knows? This is my 03 that I have right here. Then I've got a 24 Street Glide, and I've got a Honda Grom. I've just got a lot of randomness in motorcycles. So we'll start bringing those in. This bike's kind of just a cream puff. If you go to my other YouTube channel, which was Hog City Cycle Works, and same on TikTok, there was a bunch of videos of me going through this bike, doing front and rear suspension, and just cleaning it up and doing a lot of that fun stuff. But we plan to do the build series for that 07 Super Glide on this channel. You know, I don't know if you guys would like to kind of watch through what it's going to take for us to actually build a bike, because whenever I say it's to the frame, it is a bare frame. Everything is stripped out of it, including the harness. Like it's to the frame. So that'll be a fun project. I probably shouldn't have stripped it down quite as much as I did, but I just, one thing led to another. I blinked my eyes and that's where it was. So with all that being said, this is what the channel is going to start looking like more so. Will we still show our tools that we manufacture and design and all that stuff? Yes. Will we still have videos using those just to kind of show people how to do it? Also, yes. But that's not going to be the focal point of this channel. For now, I want to bring this channel to what I want to do. So this is what I want to do. All of this fun stuff. Yes, I know the top of my toolbox is destroyed, and so is the roll cart, and people's probably judging me, and I got crap in that corner back there. It's all a work in progress. So I'm going to bring you guys on the journey of all of this. Starting with this video, just to kind of show you guys around. And then we will start posting videos as far as like just decluttering and organizing a shop. Just that way you guys can see what it's like to kind of actually organize and do a shop. Some of you guys are just technicians that might have worked in a shop and you didn't actually get a chance to set things up and figure all that out. So let's, we'll work together on figuring it all out ourselves. So with that being said, everybody, welcome to Jarhead's Garage. As you can see, I'm drinking a beer. Like I said, this is going to be a lot more of a laid back channel and less of a, all I care about is my image in front of everybody. So I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to bring all of you guys along on this journey with me, from working on cars to bikes and everything in between. I'm Brandon with Jarhead's Garage. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. This is just the start of something great. I'll catch you guys on the next one.